All right, phone systems and phone system integrations. There's all different types of phone systems out there that you can use to run your business. It really kind of depends on what you value and what you're trying to get out of a phone system, okay? First and foremost, if you're going to buy an enterprise piece of technology like a Centrex software or like a Salesforce or like other enterprise technologies out there, and you want to also integrate a phone system, I would highly recommend taking it one step at a time. I don't care how much technology experience you have, how much you have on staff. Integrating several multi-million-dollar platforms all at one time is typically a very large momentum killer. Now, if you're starting your business from the ground up and you've got no employees and you're about to hire employees, that's a different story. You can set those foundations strong and you can build out those enterprise software foundations right out of the gate. However, if you've got 10, 15, 20, 30 reps on the floor and you want to integrate a brand new piece of CRM software and a brand new piece of telephony software, take it one step at a time. Typically buy the CRM software first, see if you like it, get to know it a little bit. Maybe 30, 60 later down the road, go ahead and integrate that phone system integration. Too much technology at one time is too much. It's too much to handle, and typically it kills momentum, okay? Once you find that phone system that you really like, what you really have to decide is where you want to start. So number one, integrate the phone system so you at least have click-to-dial features. You've got features like you're recording the calls of each one of your reps. You've got the disposition of the call coming in, and really kind of crawl, walk, run into your phone system with your integration to your CRM software platform. Once you've done that, then you can kick on the dialer. For those of you that are going to be really heavy on the dialer, which is a great strategy in the business and consumer lending industry, you want to choose a phone system that integrates with maybe your workflow in the software platform. So for example, we've got two phone system integrations here at Centrex Software that we use a lot, Whitel and BlueRock. The great part about these phone systems is they'll pull data out of statuses within Centrex Software and run what we call a rule action. A rule action could be call twice a day for 5 days, and after every call, send a text message. If after that 5th day, the merchant or the borrower, you can't get a hold of them on the dialer, the phone system will automatically change the status in the software to the next status, and you can have a whole new set of rule actions based on that status and the next status and the next status and the next status. You can really automate your dialing rules in the software as you see fit. So again, take it one step at a time. What do you value in a phone system, and go from there.